I got a comment from one of my subscribers. She's saying that thank you very much for sharing. I have a couple of questions. First, for a project like this, how much time it would take to be done? Second, before accepting a project, do you specify the number of revision? How do you recommend handling the issue of revision? Thank you. So first of all, I really appreciate that you're watching my video. Now let me answer the question. Basically, as you said that how much time it will take to complete a project like this, basically it depends on you, as I already mentioned in my previous videos that if you have watched it, there is no specific time which I can tell you that how much time it take to complete this type of project, because maybe for some freelancer it will take only 1 hour to complete project like this, but for new freelancer it may be complicated to complete in 3 to 4 hours because maybe they don't have previous experience. So guys, so that's why I share with you different projects on my YouTube channel, and I also provide you a link in the video description so that you can download it and you can practice on it. So in future for you it will be very easy, because my main motto of this YouTube channel is to help new freelancer so that they can get real experience and then they can work on it and they can make money. So my recommendation for you is to please download all the practice file which I share with you in my videos description. Just download it and practice on it and improve your typing speed, because when you practice on different projects, so you will be able to work very fast. Okay, and also I think there are different project and different scenario of from client also, because sometimes your client tell you that you have to complete this project in 1 hour. So if you have previous experience, you know about yourself very well that, for example, if I work on this project, is I am capable to complete this project in 1 hour, you're not. So first, I highly recommend you again try to improve your typing speed and work on different projects. And I seen many times client ask you directly, tell me how much time it will take from you to complete this project. So if you have previous experience, if you have worked on previous project, for you it will be very easy to answer, yes sir, it will take me 1 hour, it will take me 2 hours. But if you don't have previous experience, you didn't work on it, then you will be confused, you will don't know, well, what will I answer for this project. So it's up to you, my friend. You have to practice by yourself, because for example, if you start communication with your client, so I will not be present there to answer behalf of you. You will be the person to answer to the client. So that's why I highly recommend you again that watch and complete a project which I share with you. So for you it will be very easy to answer to client. Okay, now let me answer another question. She's saying that before accepting the project, do you specify the number of revision? Well, it depends on the project also, because I work on a different project, data entry, web research, lead generation, and some other project which I'm doing currently, but I didn't share here on my YouTube channel, but I will share in future very soon. Basically there is no revision need mostly in data entry, but I think there's no more revision need in data entry tasks in my opinion, because when you have previous experience, so for you it's very easy to complete work. Like for example, in data entry, as you know that client provide you some PDF file and he told you that you have to convert this PDF file into a Word document. So then you do it, you type all the information. If you type all the information correctly, so then there is no revision needed. Okay, but in case if you convert PDF into Word document and you did some error there, okay, you make some mistake, like you didn't write some sentences and you miss it. But if when client read the document which you send with him, and he feel that this project is not complete, there are some data missing, so that he will message you again, and then your job will be to complete the project again for your client. So it's very good for you while you complete the project. Just read the project 2 to 3 times and when you feel comfortable that yes, this project is complete, now there is no error, everything is done, then you share project with your client, so then there will be no revision needed, okay, and data entry. But if you're working in a different project like graphic designing and video editing, so there will maybe many revision needed, because sometimes when you create a YouTube thumbnail for your client, so maybe he don't like it, he told you that change this thumbnail to another, change the scenario, there will be different things. But in data entry there is no more revision needed if you convert the data in in a nice in accurate form, okay. And mostly sometimes I've seen that while client provide you a handwriting notebook, and he told you that convert this file into a word, yeah, Excel sheet. So in that time maybe you make some mistake when you are a complete beginner, but with the time you will be perfect, and you will not need and I hope you will not need any revision that time also, because when you do more practice and you complete more projects, so then you will be good. But nobody is perfect, each and every person make sometime mistake. So if you try to work hard, and I hope we will also remove mistake. And I welcome all of my new subscriber also, and if you guys have any kind of question, please let me know, I will also make video on it. So thank you so much for watching my video, see you later, bye.